So now we want to add a dropdown. The dropdown is just going to allow us to switch between measures. We are using population now, but the census also measures housing units and households. So we want an easy way to be able to switch through those things without having to create 3 completely different charts. And we want to be able to pull the data from the JSON for that. So I'm just going to grab this form, and if you notice here, the form has an ID of cell, which we're going to use to pull the value of the form. Each line here has a value, and then it has an event called onChange. And so we're going to create this function that's going to happen every time we change something. But let's get the dropdown in here first. So I'm going to put that right above the bars, and while we're at it, I'll add an H1 so that we have a heading on the page. So if I save this and come back and refresh it, we now have a dropdown. It doesn't work yet, but we're going to add the functionality in a second.